My friend Greg decided to take a cigar rolling class while we were here in Havana. And so we went to an apartment where they were conducting the cigar rolling class, and he booked it through Airbnb. I'm going to leave a link to the class in the description. And so I hope you guys, if you have the opportunity, it's only about 30 minutes, but it's a great experience, and for the price you can't beat it.
So you place it towards your dominant hand, exactly. Just the tips to your
Lo que
dominant hand.
hacemos con esta hoja lo vamos a repetir en la otra
Okay,
punta.
so be uniform,
La
okay?
misma cantidad arriba, la
So you
misma
put it
cantidad
on the
abajo.
bottom and on the top.
La misma arriba y la misma.
Trying to do the same amount on the top and on the bottom, okay?
En los
So
extremos, en el medio no.
you don't feel in the center because that's where the place where the leaves are more full, okay? So you don't want
Vamos a hacer lo que es el bonche. La punta con punta.
the tips of the leaves go with the tips of the binder, and now she's going to start rolling, okay?
Y empezamos a enrolar, pero
As you see,
haciendo
she makes
presión
a lot of pressure against the board.
sobre la tabla. Mira, envolviendo, pero haciendo presión sobre para que quede bien envuelto.
You need it to be tight, okay? So you try just to make pressure. In a factory, okay, when she's done there, she's going to have the bunch ready, okay? And in the factories, they go to a mold
Yeah,
for
for
about
the press.
30 minutes, okay? So that they keep this shape. It's a long process, so that's why we don't do it here.
Cuando llegamos ya casi al final, le echamos un poquito de goma
Okay, she puts
y seguimos enrolando. Seguimos enrolando.
and that's the bunch, okay?
Esto es el bombo. Que lo cortamos, lo podemos cortar con la chaveta o
So you can cut this with a blade or either with the
Guillotine.
Exactly. But this one makes a cleaner cut in the cigar.
Okay, Greg, now you got to do the same thing.
entonces ahora la
Now, Greg,
lindura,
you got to do the same thing.
la lindura nos lo va a dar la hoja. Que es
Now,
lo que
this
se llama
one-
capa.
Yeah, it's in charge of the beauty of the cigar, just that, okay? This one doesn't add any scent to the cigar. It does smell, you know, but it doesn't do much in the cigar.
With
Yeah.
the beans, do you like mulch them up and put them back in the field?
No, what we do with
They make cigarettes.
with all these, remaining, they go to Brascuba and they do cigarettes with it.
See, I told you.
Yeah.
It is, yeah. So Cuban cigarettes are considered to be really strong because we use tobacco for
gotcha.
doing it.
Entonces esta es la hoja que nos da la belleza al tabaco. Tenemos que estirarla,
As you see,
le
she
decimos
stretches the leaves.
planchar
They call it
suavemente
ironing, okay? In the
para que no
factories,
se
they iron
rompa.
the leaves. They say they do that
y la estiramos.
because it's
A la
about the
plancha, la
same.
plancha.
Planchamos, es como se llama.
And now-
Entonces vamos a cortar arriba poquitico,
She cuts this top edge because you wanted the top edge to
Siguiendo.
be like really smooth and uniform and even.
con la mano la
Okay.
chaveta. La forma de la chaveta es la que te da
As you see, she
el
only
corte.
uses the blade by making pressure. Okay, she doesn't do slides or anything. She just makes pressure
Mira que
and that's it.
pedacito.
She only
Pedacito,
cuts just
pedacito.
a little bit. You don't need to cut a
Y
lot.
abajo
And
sí va a
now
estar.
down here, she cuts a lot more. You
Con
see,
la
maybe
forma
kind
de
of
la
an arc
chaveta.
shape. Okay,
¿Ves?
just following the shape of the blade, she cuts it off. And that's it. Now she's going to start rolling. She starts by the part she didn't cut, this one here.
La parte que no
Okay.
cortamos es la primera que vamos a colocar encima de la capa.
Now,
Y-
this rolling process is a lot different. As you
Con
see, she
esta mano
doesn't make
cogemos
pressure,
en
she
la
just
vena.
stretches the leaf.
Vamos enrolando,
And now she rolls with
estirando
the other hand. You
con
see?
la mano, estirando la vena.
Ya está listo.
¿No ves? Con esta mano voy alando aquí, con esto voy
You
hasta
see,
donde
she
se puede.
stretches from vein to vein.
Ya al final le echo un poquito de goma y seguimos.
You see, she uses the blade just to make it more circular. the shape of the cigar.
Mm.
And
Con
now
la
she
yema
cuts
de
it
los
off.
dedos le damos la
With her
formita
fingertips, she
a
just
lo que es
closes
la
there the end
cabecita
of the cigar,
perilla.
which is going to be the head of the cigar.
Okay.
Cortamos
And that's it.
y
With the
entonces
rest of it,
con las venas
there are
pronunciadas
some
la
vitolas
pongo hacia
that
arriba.
just end up here, okay? They don't do any more steps, and then you cut it off, and that's it. But with this one, okay,
Entre vena y vena hacemos un corte
We do
en
a
forma de
teardrop
lágrima
shape,
o gota
okay,
de agua que es hacia aquí con la
between the
punta y
veins.
después al revés.
you don't
Entre
want to use
vena
the
y vena,
veins, okay?
mira,
Only between the veins.
aquí
In these two
completo
movements, she's going to do the teardrop shape.
y aquí completo.
She uses the blade, only using the tip of the blade, like drawing, and that's it.
Le
Now you
podemos
add
colocar
glue.
la goma
You add the glue
En los
either to
bordes.
this one or to this part
en
of the
los
cigar.
bordes, en los bordes de la hojita.
She's making
Oh.
the cap.
Exactly.
O le podemos echar la goma directo.
The
acá.
cap has two steps. This first one, which is they call it the scarf or el pañuelo.
Okay.
And
Este
then
es
the
el
cap,
pañuelo, el pañuelo. Entonces, más o menos calculamos 1 milímetro
She measures about a millimeter,
y
okay,
colocamos la punta de la hoja.
of the end of the cigar, and then she only places this tip, this first tip,
Y
and then follows the same
Le
line
vamos a
as she
dar
rolls.
la
Okay.
vuelta, le vamos a dar la vuelta,
She tries to roll the whole thing,
le vamos a ir
so
dando
you
vuelta
get less remaining
hasta que
up
se
there.
forme esto aquí arriba.
When you
que es
get
un
this tail, then what you do is the same we did before,
Esto
and
lo
then push it down
presionamos
with your
hacia
fingernail,
adentro,
and you just push it down, and that's it. Okay.
hacia adentro lo presionamos y ahora vamos a hacer lo que es el gorrito. Ese es el pañuelo, este es el
Now,
gorro.
using the circular cutter,
Mhm.
she just
Así, con el borde.
makes the shape, and
Lo
then
podemos
adds
hacer
glue.
más chiquito, más
You
grande.
can do
con
it
cada
according on how you use it. Okay, you
Le
can do it
echamos
thinner,
goma.
smaller, or bigger.
Lo ponemos, lo levantamos y
That's why it looks like it's a triple cap.
Okay,
All
yeah,
the
yeah.
Habanos are all triple cap.
ya después
Dominicanos,
procedemos.
de Nicaraguas, no triple cap.
No,
Solo-
Nicaragua tiene
Habanos
gran
solamente
competencia.
es 3 layers. You can see on all the cigars, triple cap.
Looks like a petite Corona.
Yep.
Un menudo, una corona.
Okay, guys, this is gonna get funny because now it's Greg's turn. We'll have a better appreciation for cigars now. Greg, I want to see. Yeah, this is the reference standard. And then wait till we see Greg's.
Okay.
In the top.
You think so?
Yep.
All right.
Okay. And now we're going to start rolling. Okay. So-
put it.
No, wait.
Yep.
These are your tips, okay? So
Okay.
these tips go with the tips of the binder, right?
Okay, so we do this.
Exactly. You put it parallel to the table, and then you start rolling, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
you take this tip of the binder
Okay.
to put it here, and then you start rolling. Make pressure. You need to make a lot of pressure,
Okay.
okay? A lot of pressure,
Okay.
and keep going. Keep rolling. Good.
Ahí,
Put
very
pressure.
good. Bien, bien, muy bien.
Okay.
Very good.
She's saying, "Oh, wow."
Remember,
Hey.
at the end, before you
You
finish,
want to do that?
yeah,
Ahora?
try to put,
Right here?
yeah,
Okay.
try to put the glue. At first, it might be sticky, but then it dries up and doesn't
Okay.
leave. Okay, and now finish rolling
Okay.
right there. Okay, and that's your punch. Now you're going to cut it off.
Okay, about.
Okay, so you cut right after the place where you put the glue. Where you feel it tighter, you see, at here, and
Uh-huh.
here is looser.
En la
So you
parte
cut,
más
try to
dura.
cut here.
So cut here.
Exactly. When it's harder, then you cut.
Don't cut your finger off, Greg.
Yeah.
Yes.
So about right there.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes,
Just
yes.
press.
Exactly.
Yes. Excellent, excellent.
That's it. Really good.
Alright.
That's
Let's see, Greg. Let's see.
That's not so bad.
It is good.
I don't know. It looks like caca to
You
me.
know-
now we are working with the wrapper. You can leave the bunch aside.
Okay.
So remember, stretch the leaf first, okay? Try also to stretch the edges, as here. Holding the
Okay.
leaf and stretching the edges, as here.
Okay.
Go ahead. Because remember, you're going to cut off the top edge, okay?
Okay.
And it needs to be straight.
Why do I feel like when you come back, you're gonna take this class again?
Every time.
I believe it. You know what? I thought about that. I said, you know what? Every time he comes, you're gonna be taking this class, and next time we're coming.
And
So
then he just
I'm coming.
might start working in the
Yeah,
factory.
no.
Yeah.
Me.
Okay, pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now remember to take your blade.
Poquito arriba.
So you cut off just a little bit. You don't need to cut a lot. What you do is make a lot of pressure, okay?
Poquito.
Like this,
Okay.
okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. Following the shape of the blade. When you finish, you start where you left it and then keep going and do the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Go
So
ahead.
in febrero, we're
You're
gonna
going-
come back
yeah.
with mis sus
Okay.
amigos por la
Okay.
festival de Habana. So.
Oh, it's
Okay.
nice.
Yeah, so we'll
It's
come.
nice,
So we're gonna
yeah.
have cuatro, maybe tal vez cuatro personas más. Yeah,
That's
aquí.
nice. Yeah, you're welcome. Whenever you want. We'll be here.
Mhm.
Okay.
I don't think I got enough of it.
Mira, ella le
Probably
está
you didn't
diciendo
make
ya
as much
festival.
pressure.
Not
So
as
what
much
you do is
pressure.
go again and
Uh-huh.
just
Y ya le están diciendo festival.
put it, because maybe you didn't put enough pressure.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Now,
Okay, good. And now just take it off. Just like that. Okay, good. Okay, now,
Entonces abajo bastante.
now, here, down here,
Ahí.
okay, you
De
cut,
aquí, de la
From
puntilla.
here?
Ahí.
you cut in an arc shape, okay, like
Okay.
this. The same. Using the blade, okay,
Okay.
like that.
La forma de la
So-
chaviza. Ahí.
Yeah,
Yes.
perfect. Careful.
No, para abajo.
And now down,
Ahí.
okay,
Ahí. Bien.
good. Perfect. Good. Okay, now you're going to roll. Remember, you start by this part. You didn't cut.
Right here?
Yes, sí, así
And then
Here
mismo.
or here?
Así mismo. Aquí, en la parte de
Right
atrás.
there.
Vamos a quitarle esto. Aquí.
Okay.
So, what you're going to do is that you start here, and with your fingers, you're going to stretch the leaf. You don't want to stretch a lot because
Vas
then you might
tirando de
break it.
vena a
Okay.
vena.
Okay, so you roll from vein to vein. When you get to a vein, you stop and then go again. Okay,
Así.
stretch again and roll.
Vas tirando.
You don't want to
Okay.
make pressure or anything.
Ahí. Ahí, estira.
Stretch.
Con esta mano va estirando y con esta
And
mano
with this one, with that
Yes.
hand, you roll. Okay, perfect.
And stop at the vein.
Yeah, very good, very good. Yes, sigue, sigue.
Okay.
Sigue, normal, sigue. Ya,
Perfect.
ahora le
Now
echamos-
remember to add glue to the
Uh-huh.
edge. Okay,
From here to
exactly.
here? Okay. I was sloppy with my cutting.
Don't worry.
Ya, le
Okay,
echamos.
now you
Okay.
put glue.
Okay, from here
Yes.
Yes.
all the way until
Perfect.
that's good.
Yeah, that's pretty
So
good.
keep
Ahí
Stretching
va estirando y va
rolling.
moviendo.
Same.
Yes.
Okay, so now when you get to that part, what you
Yeah.
do is that you keep rolling with this hand and
Uh-huh.
you put your fingertips here. So you do this. Okay?
Así.
Exactly.
Keep rolling. Yeah.
Go ahead and do this. Okay?
Mira que
You can
bien.
use your blade, to shape it as you close with your fingertips. Perfect. Now, wait. What you're going to do is that you're going to cut it off. Exactly.
okay.
Yes. Perfect. And you're going to work with this rest, okay, for the teardrop shape and the cup.
Okay, so this can be set aside for a moment?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Con este me te la alcanza. Ahí.
Sí. Perfecto. ¿Me entiendes? Si lo vas a hacer aquí, es aquí así para acá y aquí así para acá, que te sale bien.
You
Si
see?
lo vas a hacer
Just like
aquí,
that.
igual, es redondito aquí, larguito así y después aquí, a empatar aquí.
Okay, so
Okay.
first with
Es
using
con la
only the
punta,
tip,
con
okay?
la punta.
Like drawing, like if you were to use a pencil, just
Uh-huh.
using the tip.
All right.
So go ahead, try to do first that round and follow downwards. Okay,
All
and
right.
now the other part. Okay, good.
Sort of.
Perfect. Yes, that's it. Okay, so now you take it off.
Le echa la goma.
You put the glue to the leaf.
Okay.
Okay.
Le
Put
echa la
glue
goma.
to the edges of the leaf.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay. And now you wanna add if you want to you can add also a little bit of glue in this edge here around
Okay.
the cigar.
Probably should.
Mm-hmm. And now you can start by rolling. Okay, so you start with the tip.
La punta.
Wait, hold your cigar like
Okay.
this. Take it, just lift it up like that.
La punta, lo
Okay.
pones aquí más o menos la puntita.
And the tip, this tip,
Oh, yeah. Okay, I
Exactly.
gotcha.
goes around there.
Y le vas dando vueltas.
You see, and then hold this tip here with your finger, and
Yeah.
with this hand,
Yeah.
try to keep rolling it, following the same line. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. He looks pretty focused. No. Okay,
And
so
then-
now, yeah, you do the same thing. Okay, gently, because then it could lift up.
Okay.
Okay, and now. Creo que es mucho, no me voy a
Sí,
contar.
se
Okay,
le-
when you have a lot of remaining, so you want to cut it a little bit,
Okay.
and the other part you push it down with your finger.
Okay.
Okay, just like this, push down.
Yeah.
Good.
Hay que medio.
Try to use a little bit more of glue if you want to. Okay. Okay, good. Try
Yeah.
to push it down.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
Gonna have to lay down a little.
Ay.
Perfect. Don't worry.
Ahora
The
es.
cap will cover it. So
Okay.
what you do now is between the veins again. Okay, this is the sharp part. You
Okay.
want to do these movements.
Okay.
Okay, and like making pressure again.
Okay.
Go ahead. Try to do a circle.
Mhm.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now you take the glue.
Okay.
And
Put
put
that
it
here.
right in the center. Perfect.
Okay.
With your cigar right here. Okay.
And then turn it upside down.
And there, exactly.
Okay.
Ah,
Right
yes.
there.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. And now you just take it out.
I think we got it. All right. Got a vein in there.
Okay.
There we go.
And now you want to shape it with your
Yeah.
fingers. You want to shape this so it's right in the center,
Okay.
right there. Good. And now you cut it off. You cut the cigar,
Up the other
Okay.
end. Yep.
this part.
Yeah.
Go
So
ahead.
we go right up to
Ay, ay.
about right there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey.
That's it.
Hey.
Nice. Really nice cigar, actually. Yeah. Nice job.
How did we?
Only
how did we
okay.
do?
Listen.
Sí, mira.
As you see, her wrapper.
Her wrapper's
she,
tighter.
Exactly.
Sí.
But-
And at the touch,
Greg, actually,
you
that
can
doesn't
see.
look too bad though.
You-
I have
no,
to
it's
admit,
pretty good.
It doesn't look too bad.
You see, hers